गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो सुबह के 6 बजे हैं और मैं अभी आया हूँ रिवर साइड ड्रोन उड़ाने। आई हैव अ प्लान टू रेंट अ मोटर बाइक एंड देन आई विल गो एंड विजिट कोंगसी फॉल्स। सुबह के 10 बजे हैं अभी और मैं अभी लाओस ग्रुप टूर के ऑफिस जाने वाला हूँ टू रेंट अ मोटर बाइक। व्हेन यू रेंट अ मोटर बाइक दे आस्क फॉर योर पासपोर्ट एंड दे साइन अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विद यू। द थिंग इज इफ यू सर्च मोटर बाइक scam in Luang Prabang, there are a lot of scams. What people do over here, they've got a spare key. When they lend you a motorbike, they just steal it, and then you have to pay the bike's whole amount. Police is also involved in some cases, and even the hotel. So I had to be really careful. Now I'm going to go to Laos Group Tours, and I'll have a look first, and then I'll see the condition of the motorbike first, and then only then I'm gonna rent it. So I've just rented a motorbike and it actually only cost me 75,000 kip, so it's pretty decent. The gas is, of course, you have to pay from your own pocket. When you rent a motorbike, just make sure when you get the contract, when you sign the contract, you just read it before. And they keep your passport along with them. They give you an extra lock, just be extra cautious. So this is my bike, the blue one. मोटर बाइक भी रेंट कर लिया, ऑयल भी डलवा लिया। अब मैं जा रहा हूँ क्वांगसी वाटरफॉल, विच इज़ अबाउट 25-26 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम द सिटी। About 35 degrees today. I'm glad I bought a big bottle of water before I started this journey. चलो अब एक बात की मोटिवेशन तो ये है कि ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना. It's only about 6 kilometers. I have reached Kuang Si Waterfall. अभी पार्किंग में पार्क किया है मैंने अपना मोटर बाइक. There's a designated parking lot over here. Secondly, they only charged me 2,000 kip, so it's not a big amount. Just remember, if you'll visit with a group or with the shuttle bus, you won't get the time to reach at the top of the waterfall mountain. You can maybe just rent a motorbike like me and get up here. Yeah, you'll enjoy a lot of great views over here, and that's worth. I was actually going to go back, but I met with two guys and they advised me to just go there, and it will be worth it. See, this is this much steep. Well, it doesn't look like in the video, but believe me, it's really steep. I think now I understand the pain the cameraman, photographers have to go through. Oh god, Oh god. I know it doesn't look like that much steep, but it is. Also, make sure that you always carry mosquito repellent if you're planning to go trekking, and good trekking shoes. Finally, I'm back. I'm down here. हल्की सी breeze आ रही है यहाँ से waterfall से, which is really relaxing. Yeah, I don't want to go back, man. I don't want to go back. I really want to spend some time over here, but actually I'm getting late. I was getting late, but जाने से पहले I met with those guys. They totally let me play their guitar. Okay, I'm back and my bike is still here.